how to use AI effects in NanoBanana.ai. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of using the AI effects in NanoBanana.ai. So let's get started. First things first, open up the phone browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website. Once you're inside, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now simply scroll down to the AI editor section, and this is the AI editor section. And here in the AI editor section, you'll be seeing two options: image to image and text to image. Both of these allows you to apply the different AI effects. If you choose image to image, then tap add image and upload your image. In the main prompt section, type the effect that you want to make, like make it look like a painting or apply the neon glow effect. And if you select the text to image, simply type the description of the effect that you want, and the NanoBanana.ai will generate an image based on your prompt. So for this video, we'll be using image to image. Let's tap on add image right over here. Then tap the image, maybe this one. Then tap on done. Once the photo is uploaded, simply tap on this main prompt area section, tap on it, and let's write make it like. Then once you have written the prompt, simply tap on send it now, which is right over here. Then the AI will process it and show you the output with the applied effect in the gallery section or the output gallery, which is right over here. So this is the output. Wasn't that amazing? And that's it. That's how you can easily use the effect in NanoBanana.ai. And if you want to download it, simply tap on this download image right over here. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.